Hey everyone, today you are going to learn German greetings in just 5 minutes. Simple, natural, and actually useful in real life. And by the end, you will be able to greet someone like a native speaker. Let's start. First word Hallo. This simply means hello. Easy. Use this anytime with friends, strangers, shops, online. It always works. If you want to sound like a little formal, say Guten Tag. Use this with teachers, elders, or in formal situations. Next, morning greeting. Guten Morgen. It means good morning. Say it slowly. Guten Morgen. You use this until 11 am. After that, switch to Guten Tag. Now, evening time. Guten Abend. That means good evening. Simple pattern, right? Morning, Morgen. Day, Tag. Evening, Abend. Now let's make it more real. If you meet a friend, you won't say Guten Tag. That sounds too formal. Did you say hi or hello? Yes, German also say hi. Now let's learn something cool. If you want to ask how are you in German, say wie geht's. Now if someone asks you this, here are easy replies. Good. It means good. Sehr gut. It means very good. So a full mini conversation sounds like this. Hallo, wie geht's? Good. That's a real German conversation. Now let's level up. In formal situations, instead of wie geht's, say wie geht es Ihnen. This is more respectful. But if you are a beginner, don't stress. Wie geht's works almost everywhere, casually. Now let's learn goodbye. To say bye, you say tschüss. For something more formal, say auf Wiedersehen. It means goodbye, but literally until we see again. Don't worry, if it feels long, just practice slowly. Auf Wiedersehen. Now quick recap. Hello, hallo, Guten Morgen, good morning, Guten Tag, good day, Guten Abend, good evening, wie geht's, how are you, gut, good, tschüss, bye, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Now here's a quick challenge for you. Imagine you meet someone in the morning. What did you say? Guten Morgen. They ask, wie geht's? You reply, gut. And when leaving, tschüss. You just had your first German conversation. That's it for today. If you want to actually speak German confidently, start with these words daily, even if you are alone. Say them out loud. Practice is everything. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, because we are going to make learning languages super easy here. And in the next video, we are going to learn Japanese greetings. So don't miss it. Cheers and see you in the next video.